what class do I classify my goods when I'm applying for trademark registrations? I'm selling electrical goods. I'm not sure what class it would go under. I'm working on trademark registrations.
Yeah, so it would depend on which types of products that you're looking to do. Like, so for example, like light bulbs would be like class 11, hand tools would be class 9, like electrical sockets.
Electrical goods. I'm picturing
electrical goods. So like maybe like battery chargers, like that kind of stuff, or
yeah, right.
It's probably going to be class 9.
Class 9.
Class 9 is a lot of like electrical products, kind of miscellaneous electrical products would be in there. Like tradesman's tools would be a different class entirely, but for some of these hands tools, or or I guess just electrical goods in general, probably class 9. But you'd want to talk to the client about it, get some more particular, product descriptions, because the USPTO won't let you register electrical goods, right? You got to be much more specific than that.
So bottom line, sounds like you got to get at least a consultation in, if not having help you.
Yeah, it's going to be very specific depending on the product. So without knowing more, like electrical goods, I hear electrical goods, I think like electrician products, but we have lots of those clients. That's why.
My mind went to like consumer goods. Would that be something totally different, right? Or
potentially, like battery chargers and stuff like that's going to be class 9, but it really depends. I mean, I'd want to know more about the actual product before I said, it's class 9 for sure. But just taking a guess, random, like stab in the dark, I'd say class 9 probably.
If someone decides not to listen to your advice, how dare they, and file on their own under the wrong class, what are the ramifications there?
So, if you have a somewhat friendly examining attorney, they might give you the benefit of the doubt, and they might suggest to you the actual product class for the products.
Okay.
Now, like if you have, a whole list of different products that you're putting in your initial application, it might fall into multiple classes. So the examining attorney might get mad at you, and he or she might, give you like 6 different, applications basically. And then you'd have to either accept their recommendations or kind of go back to them and give them something else in terms of the goods descriptions. But you might be in multiple classes at that point. So it's probably best just to talk to an attorney and just get it filed right the first time.